and welcome back. Today we are going to insert ads such as Adsense or affiliate banners into your content on your website, just like this one here. We are going to be using WordPress, and it is just as simple as copying some code to create these adverts that are going to help monetize your website. So first of all, we are going to have previously downloaded the plugin called Ad Inserter. If you haven't already done that, do so now. I'll just wait for you. Okay, and then once you've done it, you're going to go on Settings and then Ad Inserter, and you'll see this screen here. Then you're going to go to Adsense. You're going to go to My Ads and then Ad Units. And then you're going to click on this. You're going to click New Ad Unit and Text and Display Ads. Select that, and then you're going to give it a name. So we are just going to call it In-Blog Ad. Inventors, of course. Select responsive so that it fits to any size screen or device. Then get code. The code will be generated. Then you select this code here. This is your advert. Copy it. And then you are going to go and paste it into a blank page. We've already got codes on the first 5 pages, so we're just going to use number 6, for example, here. And then there's some options. So this one's for pages. So this means that, you know, if you want to choose which pages you're putting them on, only specific pages, then you can do so there. Same again, that's post, sorry. Same again for pages. That works the same. And then if you want to align it in left, right, wherever you want the advert to appear on the page. If you want it on your home page, your search pages, based on a tag or a category. If you've got a specific ad for an affiliate, then this is where we want to go. We want to go on automatic insertion. So we're going to go after paragraph, and we are going to select paragraph 15. This is just random because we've already got all ads in, and then select all save all settings, and that is the ad added in. You can then add as many other ads in as you want into the content. I probably recommend 3 is a maximum. So there you go.